Guy's having her cookies on a rock. She's a good girl, huh? Oh, you were sleeping? I just got home. I couldn't bring her because in the truck, I'm afraid she'll pee on the seat. So, until I get my car back, which is done, muffler, new muffler, I gotta pick it up. But anyway, I don't remember if I showed you this or not, but so I was only to save one here. So see, now I got on a wire cable. The other one broke. And the only thing this one needs now is a pulley up there instead of going through the carabiner, because these wires will wear a groove in the carabiner. It'll take a while, but it will. They're only aluminum. And then over here I was able to pull the two in that I had and two more, because I was able to get my ladder up there, so I could do that. Over there I can't get my ladder over there. But so, see the bird feeding on it right now. And see, I don't think you can see it. See how I got a pulley up there? Same with that one. It's on a pulley now. I got some finch food to put in that. I got 5 more refills for this. See the pulley? No, I can't see it here. So that one's all done. That one's 100% complete, 100% complete, 100% complete, and 100% complete. With all pulleys and wire. And then the carabiners are colored. You can't see that, but that's a green one with a black piece of tape. Then a silver one. Then a green one with a silver piece of tape. And that one's just a plain green one. So then when you come over here, because I used to tell by the strings they're all different color, but the wire is all the same, see? Here's my 4 wires. They go up and over. So now they're all hooked up here. Got my gold one, carabiner with black tape, carabiner with gray tape, and then a regular carabiner green. So I'll know which one to unhook to service. And I got a block for that, a squirrel block. So I'll put that in. I think it might be supper time too. Is it supper time, Kai? Are you hungry? You are? Is it supper time? She's smelling something. Is it supper time? No? Not quite? You can grab your ball. That's what you're going to do. Go ahead, grab your ball. I gotta clean the sands out of your eyes. Alright. Oh, see, there goes a bird up to that one. Oh, see, there's a woodpecker. See it? That's a hairy woodpecker, the bigger one. Ah, he'll be back. I got a better thing to put in that one for the woodpeckers too, because that's mostly just feed for birds. I got actually a woodpecker one now. But that was a hairy woodpecker. They're the bigger ones. Hairy and downy look exactly alike except for the size. Hey, no, that's not a toy. See, her bed's out here. I gotta wash it off because she peed in it. Hey, look at her go with that thing. Knucklehead. Now that's weird. She's been here over 2 months. And that's the first time she's touched that. It's been sitting right there the whole time. Isn't that weird? What do you got there? Huh? What do you got there? She's learned to run downhill pretty good with something in her mouth. Oh, it's gonna rain or what? Sure feels it and looks at it. It's a little big for you, isn't it? Hey, be nice to him. Be nice to him. He's gonna rip his hat off. Hey, no. Yeah, now he ripped his hat off. Hey, you hungry? Ready for supper? Come on, let's go eat. Come on. Let's go eat. You ready to eat? Drop. Good girl. Obviously, I can't set that back down on the ground where it was. Oh, I built this rail, by the way. There was no rail in here at all when I moved in. I built that. I don't know what to do with this thing now because she's gonna get it. I can stay there for now. All right, I gotta get you supper. You ready to eat? Say bye-bye. Hey, Kai. Good girl. Say bye-bye.